Hey guys, I hope everything has been going well. I'm sorry I have been MIA. I actually had the flu, which really sucked, but I am back. The good news is since I have been sick, I've had a couple of weeks to try a brand new product, and I wanted to share my findings with you and just let you know what my overall thoughts are. So if you are interested in hearing about what has really saved my skin, then please keep watching. Okay, so what is this product that has helped my skin? So first of all, I want to tell you the results that I've gotten are incredible. I know part of that could be that I was sick and wasn't really wearing makeup for a week, but I really feel like this product has pushed me over the edge. So what I'm talking about is my Perricone MD Cold Plasma Plus, and this product is amazing. So basically it is a serum that's great for all different types of skin. For me, I have very sensitive and dry skin, but it still gets really, really oily, and I get very red very easily. My skin's looked really dull for the past year. I don't know if it's because I'm not taking care of my skin, and this has really, really helped. But since then, my skin is like brighter. I've been using it for straight 2 weeks. So my skin's a lot less red. It's definitely brighter. I feel like this is the one thing that I've really changed. I use it at night, every single night after I wash my face. And when I wake up in the morning, I dab a little bit on. So let me show you this product. The other thing that I love about the Perricone MD Cold Plasma Plus is that there are no parabens, no sulfates, and nothing bad in it. It is all natural, and for me, that's the only thing I will use. So it comes in this jar. Oh, I love the smell. It's actually quite natural smell, but I love the way it is. And I put a little bit just on my finger and I'll rub it. It's super lightweight. It's almost like watery, and I'll just rub it into my skin, and a little bit goes a long way. I actually drag it down to my neck as well because I want my neck to be less red. Even in this video, you can see my neck is like a little bit more red than my face, and I think it's because I'm not putting it on my neck enough. But it's awesome. So try and like get it, circular motions. If you have a jade roller, you can jade roll it on and into your skin and just like rub it all around. But it is, again, it's super lightweight. It almost looks like a taupey white, gray, green color. But yeah, twice a day for sure. If anything, if you can only do it once a day, do it at night before you go to bed and really let it soak into your skin while you're sleeping. And it takes me like 10 seconds to apply it, so you have no excuse to not actually put it on. And then the other thing that I really feel like it's done for me is it's moisturized my skin. So I have very, very dry skin, and maybe that's why it's looked so dull lately, but this product has sincerely helped. It has vitamin C in it, it has omegas in it, and I'm really, really obsessed with it. It is a little expensive. It retails for $150. I'll leave a link for you so that you can get it from me, or you can go to Sephora or go to perriconemd.com. But guys, you need the Cold Plasma Plus for your face. I can't tell you how much I love this. I am never going back. This is my brand new baby, and I need her all the time with me. And I also traveled with her. She's very easy to put in a carry-on because she's only 1 fluid ounce. So you don't have to worry that you can't get it in your carry-on either, and it fits just in your purse. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. You must go out and get this product. I'm telling you, this is a brand new fave of mine. It will definitely change your skin forever. And if you don't have oily skin, if you have dry skin or combo like I do, it is still really awesome. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Leave me some comments below. Have a great day, guys.